Is your dishwasher clogged? Here are easy DIY guides you should follow before considering calling a technician. 1. Unplug your dishwasher from electricity to avoid electric shocks. 2. Get your dishwasher ready by removing all dishwares in it. Remove the rack at the bottom of the dishwasher. This will give you access to the drain. Use a clean cloth or a towel to remove all accumulated water at the base of the dishwasher. This ensures you do not slip while working. It also keeps your machine clean while you work. 4. Inspect the drain pipe. It is located at the back of your machine or underneath it. You would have to move your dishwasher out of the wall so that the drain pipe will be accessible. 5. Disconnect the drain pipe. You can do this by using a plier to get the clamp loose. If your dishwasher model does not come with a clamp, pull out the drain pipe. Place a bowl below the drain pipe. This prevents water from spilling from the disconnected pipe. 6. Use a de-clogger to clean out the drain pipe. If you do not have a de-clogger, use a coat hanger. However, if the pipe is not clogged, it might be an indication that your dishwasher drain is blocked. 7. Inspect the dishwasher drain. Search for a basket-shaped device at the base of your machine. This component helps prevent scraps from food and any other item from getting into the drain pipe. Clean the drain properly. If you live in an area that has hard water, there could be mineral deposits in the drain. After some time, they could clog your machine and prevent the free flow of water from the machine. You can use a little quantity of vinegar to get rid of any deposits that would have piled up on the filter basket. 8. Inspect the garbage disposal. Garbage disposals in kitchen sinks come with knockout plugs. If the dishwasher is installed with the accompanying knockout plugs, it might malfunction. So, ensure that the knockout plug of the garbage disposal has been removed before it was installed. Removing this plug might solve the issue of a clogged dishwasher. Also, if you have an old garbage disposal, consider replacing it. 9. Clean air gap. Air gaps prevent water from flowing back into the dishwasher. People install these air gaps to solve the issue of dirty water flowing back to the dishwasher. When debris builds up in the air gap, it leads to improper or poor water drainage. If you notice water flooding in the sink or the dishwasher basin from the air gap, then it might indicate a faulty air gap. You should take off the cap on the air gap and ensure you clear all the accumulated debris. 10. A faulty sewer line. This may not be the first thing that catches your attention when you hear of a clogged dishwasher. But it might cause a dishwasher to get clogged. If the sewer is faulty or damaged, your dishwasher and all the drainage system would certainly be clogged. An easy way to find out is to see if your shower or your toilets drain properly. If they don't, you may have a faulty sewer. It would be best to have a professional run an assessment of the home drainage system and repair faulty parts. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, www.zimdishwashers.com for more awesome dishwasher content like this.